Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. In a triangle XYZ, this is the relation given that angle Z is equal to 3 times angle Y and 3 times angle Y is equal to 2 times whole bracket X plus Y. So we have to find the angles X, Y and Z. So here it is given that Z is thrice of angle Y. Let this be first equation. And also the second equation is given 3y is equal to 2x plus y. So if we simplify it, we'll get 3y minus 2y will become y is equal to 2x. Therefore, x can be written as y by 2. Let this be second equation. Also, we know that in a triangle, the sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degrees. So x plus y plus z is 180 degree. Since we know that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So let this be third equation. Now with the help of equation 1, 2 and 3, we can write angle x can be written as y by 2 plus angle y plus z can be written as thrice y with the help of equation 1. So this is equal to 180 degree. So if we simplify it, we'll get the value of unknown, that is y here. So 9y by 2 is 180 degree. So angle y is equal to 2 multiplied by 180 degree divided by 9, which is equal to 40 degree. So from here we obtained y as 40 degree. So we have to obtain all the angles x, y and z. So y we have already obtained and we know that x is nothing but y by 2. So 40 by 2 will give 20 degree. So from here x is 20 degree and the last angle z can be written as 3 times y, and y we have calculated 40 degree. So z is 120 degree. Hence we have obtained all the angles, and the angles are 20 degree, 40 degree, x, y and z is 120 degree. So these are the three angles and this is the answer.